As part of our commitment to safety and preparedness, Paria Fuel Trading Company Limited conducted a major tabletop emergency drill on Wednesday, 6th March 2024 at Paria's Emergency Response Center. The scenario for the tabletop drill was a fire in the bunds of tanks 104 and 105 at the Foreshore Tank Farm. The scenario simulated impact on the neighboring community, therefore necessitating a multi-agency response and a unified command. The objectives of the drill were to identify knowledge and competence gaps, identify any potential constraints related to communication and notification of external stakeholders, identify logistics and resource gaps, facilitate stakeholder collaboration, develop competence in Paria's Incident Command Team. Paria's Incident Command Team, led by Incident Commander Rennie Nimblet, participated in tabletop exercise along with representatives from the relevant government agencies, that is, the Trinidad and Tobago Fire Services, the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service, the Southwest Regional Health Authority, and the Cova Tabaki Talparo Regional Corporation. The exercise was well executed and the drill objectives were successfully met. External stakeholders participated fully in the drill and brought significant input and learnings to the exercise. The drill has opened the way for further collaboration between Paria and the responding agencies. We remain dedicated to continual improvement in our emergency response protocols and collaboration with external agencies to ensure safety and well-being of all stakeholders.